Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix lagging and freezing issue in Samsung Galaxy A17, A37 or A57. If you're using Galaxy A17, A37 or A57 and you're facing the laggy and freezy issue on your phone, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing I recommend you how to go to settings here, just scroll down, go to software update and make sure that your phone is up to date because sometimes it might be that there will be any pending software update in your phone which might take or which might make these type errors. So you have to make sure that your phone is up to date, and once you've updated your phones, just make a force restart with your phone. Or if your phone have any pending software update, so you can also try to make a force restart because the force restart fix software glitches. Now for this, you have to press and hold the volume down and the power button at the same time for almost 15 seconds. So let's try this. You have to press and hold the volume down and the power button for almost 15 seconds there. So the very first, once you press and hold the volume down power button, you might see the black screen here. After the black screen, you'll get a Samsung logo here. Just wait for Samsung logo. And once you see the Samsung logo, just release the buttons, wait for your phone until it restarts. So it will make a force restart your phone, which might take more time than usual. So once you have made a force restart, just try to reuse your phone for almost 10 to 15 minutes to check if it fixed your issue or not. So after a force restart, just unlock your phone here and check if it fixed your issue or not, or if it's still not fixed your issue. So you have a simple way. You just have to go to your settings app. The very first, go to device here and go to storage and make sure that you have enough storage in your phone, like almost 15 to 20 GB free with the internal storage to use your phone as smooth. You can also try to free up your space, like if your videos is taking more space, so you can click on this arrow button here and you will see your videos. Just click on these three dots, click select and select the videos you want to delete, and once I've deleted the videos, it will be moved to recycle bin from here. And recycle bin, you have to clean your recycle bin from here. If your apps are taking more space, click on apps. It will sort your apps with your storage. You can also click the sort option and click on the size to sort with size. Now you have to select the app which is taking more space on your phone. If you might see any app, like let's say I'm gonna select my Instagram here. Let's just scroll down, go to storage. The very first, you can try to clear cache. And once I've cleared cache, it will clear all the junk files from your app. Or you can also try to clear data, but clearing data will remove your account from your app. You can also try to get a backup of your account and then retry to clear data. Clearing data will help you to get more space in your app. You can also try to uninstall your unnecessary or rarely used apps. Once you have done, your issue might have been fixed. Or you can also try to go to Play Store here, click on this profile icon in the top right, click on Manage Apps and Devices, click on Updates, and make sure that all your apps are up to date. You might have any pending app update here. If you might face any pending app updates, click on Update All to update all apps. I recommend you have to connect with Wi-Fi to update apps. So once you updated your apps, your issue might have been fixed because sometimes it might be that pending app updates might affect your phone. So once you have done, your issue will be fixed and you will not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.